Welcome to this technical walkthrough from Faasera, your AI-powered function as a service platform for real-time data compliance and automation. In this demo, we'll show you how Faasera enables seamless reading, transformation, and writing of mainframe EBCDIC files using Apache NiFi. That's EBCDIC, an encoding format commonly used in COBOL-based mainframe systems. And NiFi is a powerful open source platform for automating data flows. We've put together a complete end-to-end data pipeline using a few powerful components, all built right into Faasera. To start, we've developed a custom EBCDIC reader. It can interpret standard COBOL copybook layouts and accurately convert raw binary records into NiFi-compatible Avro format, ready for downstream processing. On the other end of the pipeline, we've got a custom EBCDIC writer, which takes those Avro records and converts them right back into binary, supporting both fixed length and variable length files. This ensures full round trip integrity, so you can read and write EBCDIC records without losing fidelity. Now, in addition to that, Faasera also comes with two advanced processors, MaskRecord, which applies deterministic obfuscation, and a combined profile and mask record, which uses AI to scan, detect, and mask sensitive data in one seamless step. But just a quick note, we'll dive into those in part 2 of the demo. In this session, we're focusing on the EBCDIC reader and writer, which are completely agnostic, meaning they can be plugged into any NiFi processor and work out of the box. We kick things off with a simple GetFile processor. It picks up a raw EBCDIC file right from the local file system. Or you can use any other processor such as GetSFTP and pick files directly from the mainframe. Right after that, we use UpdateAttribute to dynamically inject the copybook path, encoding like CP037 and the file structure, for example, 2 for fixed length format. By the way, these processors has built-in logic to auto-detect file structure, whether it's fixed or variable length file. Then it flows into the Faasera EBCDIC reader processor. Then under the hood, this uses our custom Faasera EBCDIC record reader to parse the binary layout defined by your COBOL copybook. Now, I will quickly run the GetFile processor once, only so it reads an EBCDIC file from the predefined location, and then once it's parsed, the data is available as standard NiFi records. At this point, you can plug in any other processor, maybe query record to filter or transform it, or even just log attribute to inspect and validate what's inside. Like I am about to show you now. Let's see what have we got here. Let me see its queue and view its contents. By default, it shows us in hex format, which we can change to our favorite format. So my pick is Avro, which is default NiFi record format. Here you can see the outputs. These are standard NiFi records that were decoded from raw EBCDIC bytes using the COBOL layout. Notice how each field is now clearly labeled, typed, and readable, just like any modern data format. We've preserved data types like packed decimals, signed integers, and multi-occurrence fields like addresses, all without losing the structure defined in the original copybook. And because they're now in Avro-compatible NiFi records, we can plug them into any downstream processor for filtering, transformation, or masking. This is where legacy meets modern, and it's all happening natively inside NiFi. Who knew mainframe data could be this elegant? In step 3, we flip the flow, going in reverse to write an EBCDIC file back out. Any standard NiFi record at this point can be seamlessly transformed into a structured binary format. You're probably starting to see what I meant earlier. The components we've built at Faasera aren't just powerful, they're purpose-built for handling complex high-integrity data pipelines across legacy and modern ecosystems, including mainframes, cloud platforms, and everything in between. So to write the data back, we use the Faasera EBCDIC writer processor along with the Faasera EBCDIC record writer, which is written as NiFi controller. This component takes care of all the heavy lifting from respecting field lengths, COBOL encoding, and even gracefully handling missing or null values with a sanitized fallback strategy. And finally, our last step in this demo to PutFile back to predefined location. Using a PutFile processor, we will follow the same step to inspect how is the transformed data looking and if the file has created as expected. The binary integrity is fully maintained, including packed decimals, signed integers, and field alignments. The writer doesn't just write, it intelligently truncates oversized fields and logs a warning when it does. It also defaults missing values where necessary, so you never break layout compatibility and all of this. Totally dynamic. Jory, you don't need to hardcode copybook paths or encodings. Everything can be injected at runtime using attributes. This EBCDIC integration with Apache NiFi is a small piece of Faasera's broader mission, helping teams modernize legacy mainframe pipelines while keeping sensitive data secure, structured, and ready for the cloud. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We've got more powerful data compliance workflows, including masking validation and direct vsam access, coming up next right here on the Faasera channel. See you in the next one.